Okay guys, this time we got a package from Online Power, Kabupaten Malang. This is we buy something, a waist bag, secondary waist bag, Gucci waist bag. Okay, let's see it. They pack so simple. They use packing so simple. So must be careful to open it, because I'm afraid to damaging the inside. Oh. Can open in here, cut it here. Okay, and you see this. Oh wait, you can open from this parts too, and this parts. Can automatically dispatch this. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. And then we can cut. Oh, so thick. So safely. I think he was a professional in packaging. I doesn't know between this one is original or not. It's much fun. This is it. Wow. As you can see, this is Gucci, made in Italy. Condition is good, but there is trouble that this one is cut off from there. This looks bigger. You can see identify that Gucci made in Italy in here, and Gucci made in Italy in here. You can open this, check inside. It's the zebra, it's the Gucci emblem, serial number. There is 2 serial number. Just the inside. Okay, like that. So this is it. Thank you for watching.